Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a really long time since I actually sat down and filmed, and there's just a couple things I wanted to talk about before we get started today. And one of those things is, I know, well, first of all, obviously I have glasses on and I don't think this is really going to work out with the ring light. I don't know, we'll see. But this is my only option because I lost my last pair of contacts. So yeah. But anyways, I know I said I was going to do 3 Valentine's looks this time, and I did only end up uploading one. I'm still going to upload the second one because it is finished. I had a lot of stuff going on and I didn't really have time to finish editing and upload it, but I'm still going to put that second one on there. I apologize that I didn't upload all 3 of my Valentine's videos, but I'm going to post the second one, so there will be 2. I never did get around to filming the third one. I just ran out of time. And yeah, but I did, however, order my Mac. I'm so excited. I get it next week, so I'm super excited to start making my editing a lot better than it is. And another thing I wanted to say, I was looking through my channel the other day and I realized that a lot of the looks that I do are like pinks and purples, and which is weird because I really don't do a lot of those on the day-to-day basis or really on like clients or anybody. But I've done a lot of them on my channel, and I feel like I haven't really done like a smoky eye or something really natural or stuff that, you know, is actually super wearable on a daily basis for the average person. So that's what I want to do today, is just do a simple smoky eye, something that's neutral, nothing colorful, and I'm trying not to use glitter, but you all know me, I love glitter and I can't help it. I have to put it in every look. I just feel like it's kind of lame. Unless it's like an all matte look, then that's different. But you know what I mean? Like sometimes shimmer, it doesn't do it for me. If you would like to see what smoky eye I create with neutral colors, then just keep watching. So I'm not really sure how well this is going to play out because I do have my glasses on and you can obviously see the ring light in them. Unless I turn to the side. But I am obviously going to have to take my glasses off, so I'm going to try not to get too close to the mirror, but I'm just so mad. I had 1 pair of contacts left, and in order for me to get another pair, I need to go get an exam, and I have to pay for that out of pocket. So I not only have to pay for the exam, but I have astigmatism in my right eye, so I have to get like special contacts for that eye, and both eyes are different prescriptions, so that's 2 separate boxes of contacts, and for like a 6-month supply, that's expensive. So I'm just gonna have to wear my glasses for a little while, and that kind of really sucks when I want to film. So to start off this look, because I'm not going to go crazy with this, I think I'm just going to do my face first, which is unusual for me. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is kind of going to be a chit chat. I don't want to say get ready with me because like I am going to do, it's kind of like a tutorial, you know, I don't know. Actually, you know what? No. This is going to be a chatty get ready with me, but this is going to be a neutral smoky eye. I am going to tell you what I'm doing, or like what I'm using on my eyes, but I'm not going to go too in depth with what I'm doing. I mean, obviously you're going to be able to see, so yeah, I'm just going to prime my eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. But anyways, so we're planning on moving to LA, and like, I don't know, it just seems so like far-fetched, and it just doesn't seem like something that we are going to be able to do in a 1.5 years time, because obviously, you know, I live in Michigan and rent is not thousands of dollars a month, and that's something that we're going to have to get used to, is like prices and things, but like we're going to have to save a lot of money to go out there and get what we want like right when we get there. So I was thinking of ways that we can go out there with like not a lot of money, and it sucks because neither of us have like family out there or friends or know anybody that lives in California at all, and that kind of sucks. And for anybody that lives in California, if you watch my video or know anything about LA, like please give me some tips, because like we want to go there as soon as possible, but it's so much money. But I know that there's cheaper ways around things, like, you know, and I also don't know like what where's my fucking brush? And I also I don't know, I'm weird about jobs because like I'm scared I'm not going to make enough money to pay for what, you know, like my rent or anything over there. I don't know, it's really hard to figure out how to like go about doing it. And I've looked at lots of apartments and houses for rent and stuff like that, but I don't know. I know that my boyfriend brought up this really funny thing actually, that in the state of California, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you can like pitch a tent or whatever like anywhere in on California land for like 10 days at a time, maybe 7 to 10 days at a time. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought about doing that because like I have a nice car, so I mean I'm sure there's public bathrooms somewhere, and then find somewhere to live, but at the same time it's like, is it worth doing that? But then I was thinking we should just go to a place further away from LA, you know, just to get to California and get out there and get familiar with the area and everything else. If anyone knows anything about these places or knows any place near LA, like in Southern California somewhere that is like a more affordable place to live, please comment and let me know, because I'd really love to know. I don't want to deal with the snow anymore, and I need some sun, and I'm not getting that here. But anyway, so for my eyes, I'm going to be using my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. And I'm just going to be using Morphe brushes for my eyeshadow as well. I feel like I ran out of things to talk about. I don't know, I kind of just want to like explain to everybody that's watching like why I'm doing this, like why I chose to do it, you know, like I don't know, like I said earlier, I just feel like I've always been kind of different in a sense that like I was made to do things that like normal people don't do. Like YouTube. I mean, obviously it's becoming more of a bigger thing every day. But in general, like, you know, nobody thinks, like people that I work with, like older people in their 50s or, you know, people that are adults or like, you know what I mean, middle-aged. None of them believe that you can actually make a career out of YouTube, and like, I don't know, I wish more people knew that that was like a thing, you know, and like supported it. Because like you can do great things, you know, if you put your mind to it and like you know, really want to do it. I think the thing that I'm struggling with right now is trying to get like views and stuff like that. I'm still trying to figure out like everything and all the steps I need to take to, you know, be a successful YouTuber and like get those get those subscribers and views and stuff to be monetized, because this is really what I want to do. And sometimes it gets hard because, you know, you put all this effort into it and then nothing comes of it. You know, and I know it's not going to happen overnight, but it still always gets a little bit discouraging sometimes because it's not happening that quick. Also, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I just really want to be a makeup artist and do YouTube and, you know, like have a social media platform and really like be an influencer. You know, that's just what I want to do. And a lot of the times I feel like I almost get like kicked in the face for it. Like, I feel like people that don't want it as bad as I do get opportunities and get things that, you know, I want so bad. And I know that's life, it's not fair, blah, 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 but like, it still sucks, you know. And everybody thinks I'm crazy for wanting to move to California, but like, I've been in Michigan my entire life. The farthest I've been out of here is Cedar Point. For those of you who don't know, is in Ohio, and that's one state under. Nothing exciting. My life is actually really lame. I've never been on a vacation. I've never been to Florida. And like, I need that sun and the warmth, and it's just something that I've always wanted, is to get out of here. And like, I think when I'm old and retire or whatever, I will probably come back. But for what I want to do right now and like how I want to live my life at the moment, this is just not the place for me. And I think that's why we picked LA. And actually, it wasn't even my idea. My boyfriend actually suggested we go to LA, and I thought that was weird because he doesn't like big crowds. He doesn't like big cities that much. I mean, sure, he likes to visit those places, but I never thought he would ever want to live there, especially like in the middle of it. But yeah, he brought it up and he's really gung-ho about it and really wants it to happen, but he tends to be a glass half empty sort of person. So, you know, obviously he doesn't have very high hopes of it actually happening. And I feel that way sometimes too. It's just sometimes it feels like it's so far out of reach. But he actually also wants to start doing YouTube. He wants to stream. And he wants to do, what does he call it? Like, I don't want to say e-games, because it's not what it is. He wants to, like, professionally play games, you know, like on PC, Xbox, whatever. He's a gamer and he really enjoys it, and he wants to start a YouTube channel too, but he wants to build a PC first. And I really, you know, it'd be awesome, like both of us could do that. And it's weird because I never thought he would want to do something like that, but it's awesome that he does. And I always told myself that I would never live in California. I really did. Like, I always thought, you know, I will never live there. It would be a cool place to visit, but like I don't want to live there. And I always thought that I would want to go to like New York or something, but I don't know. The more I learn about these places, like California is really where it's at for what I want to do. And I just watch all these YouTubers and think, you know, like they came from the same background that I came from and they made it happen, and I can make it happen. Like, my goal is to be a successful YouTuber slash makeup artist, have my own makeup brand one day. Like, that's just really what I want out of life. And I know I keep like rambling on and on about this topic, but like I just really, I don't know, I feel like I need to get it out and like tell people that this is really my passion, what I want to do. I just have to keep producing content and be consistent, which I know is one thing I have not been lately, is consistent. And it's just hard because I do work, well right now I work 40 hours a week. I work from 1 to 9 every day, which is actually a really crappy time because by the time I get out at 9 o'clock, and my boyfriend doesn't get out until 11, and usually that's I don't get out until 11 either, but right now we're on 8 hours instead of 10. So, oh my god, I totally said I was going to do my face makeup first. And what am I doing? My eyeballs. God, I need to get my stuff together. And I have to leave in like 20 minutes, so I really need to get my shit together. But anyways, he gets out at 11, I get out at 9 as of right now. So obviously I have to stay up till at least 11, go get him, come home, and we're up until sometimes 3, 4 in the morning. So then obviously I don't want to get up in the morning until like 11 o'clock, and then we have to shower and get ready, and by that time it's time to go to work at 1. You know, so it's like really hard for me to find time to do anything. That's the only way that I'm going to progress on YouTube, is if I just keep uploading, and I need to be uploading like every day. But it's so hard. And I also feel like because I do have a Windows computer and I use Movie Maker, that is like half of my problem. Also, this just kind of turned into like a bronze smoky eye. Just kind of put a little bit of like a bronzy gold shade on the lid. And I'm actually going to use false lashes today. And these are like the ones I usually always use in the Ariel Mega Volume in 250. But these are in 251, and I think I might like these even more. This is what they look like. They're super pretty and like really, I don't know if you can tell, but they're really like curly. And I'm just gonna use actually for mascara, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Great Lash, which is that right there. That is my spiel on wanting to be a YouTuber, I guess. Ooh, another thing I've been thinking about is I've never really been one to enjoy vlogs. I really haven't. I don't know what it is about them. I just have never really wanted to watch them. So I don't remember how, but I found this one vlogging channel, and it's called The Life of Us Vlogs. And it's about just like, I want to say, like a family, you know, Anicia, Devante, and their daughter Juliet. And I watch them every time they upload a new video. And I really like them, and I really like watching their stuff. And, hold on. I have been really enjoying watching them. And they have collabed recently with the Bram Fam. I don't know how many of you know who they are. They're also another vlogging channel of a family of 3. And they're around the same age as the Life of Us vlogs. And I started watching them, and I really like them too. And I've just been watching those two like non-stop. And it sucks because I've watched all of their videos now, so like I have no more to watch. And it got me thinking, like, I want to start vlogging. But it sucks because it's like, what am I going to vlog? I don't do anything there. I'm not exciting. I mean, sometimes I am. Like, sometimes things happen and I'm like, wow, you know, that'd be a really good vlog. But I don't have like a portable tripod or anything to like, so that I can vlog. But I don't know, I want to start vlogging, but I feel like, will anyone care though? Like, will any of you watch it? But if you'd like to see me vlog, then please leave a comment down below. And it sucks that I don't have a lot of followers and stuff, well, a lot of subscribers yet, because I really want that. Like, I want people to comment, and I want people to like give me input on stuff, you know. I will tell you right now, it is so much easier to put eyelashes on other people. So anyways, what was I even talking about? Right now I'm using this new Duo brush on adhesive, with vitamins. I like it so far. Now that I got all that shite on, I'm going to go onto the face, and I'm going to use my No Poreblem Primer by Touch N Sol. I'm going to use this Physicians Formula. Are you ready for this? This is a long name. Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc Free All-in-One ABC Cushion Foundation with SPF 50. This is in the shade Light. This is what it looks like. I actually got this on clearance at Walmart, and I'm super surprised that I found it in my shade, because usually clearance shades at Walmart are like really dark shades. So I'm going to be setting my face with, also I use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, setting my face with my Cover FX powder. By the way, I use my Kokie Contour palette. And for blush, I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush palette, which looks like this. I actually just got this. I love this. It's so nice. And for those of you who don't know, look at this gorgeous highlight. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Highlight, and this is in the shade Champagne. At my Walmart, they only had Champagne and Rose Gold, which are really dark colors. Thank God this gold that I'm wearing actually isn't too dark for me. It's super, super pretty. But I looked it up on their website, and they actually have more colors. So I'm going to order some soon so I can use them, because they're really nice, and they smell like the butter bronzers and stuff. Really cool. So I'm going to do my brows and use my Milani pomade in the shade Taupe. I'm just going to pop a brown, one of the browns that I use on my lower lash line. Alright, last but not least, a brow bone and inner corner highlight. I've just been really loving to do this lately. And I'm taking in Light from my Jaclyn Hill palette. Of course. Sorry if you cannot see what I'm doing. I can barely see what I'm doing. But we're just gonna roll with it. Pretend it's okay. Alright. We Gucci. I just need something on my lips. And my lips are hella dry right now. Like, bad. So, I'm going to be using my ILUVSARAHHIII and Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Curvii. I think I've used this. I think I used this in one of my other videos. Alright, and a little bit of setting spray. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Tap that in with my sponge. Alright guys, so this wraps up my chatty, get ready with me, neutral, smoky eye look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know I kind of rambled and just kind of got some stuff off my chest, but I figured I wanted to film a video that wasn't just a tutorial, because I feel like I do mostly tutorials, and I need some sort of variety. And also, I apologize for my glasses. I wish I wouldn't have lost my contacts, but it is what it is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my rambling today. I hope you guys really liked this makeup look that I created today. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.